The broadcast is now starting. All attendees are in listen-only mode.
Good Tuesday morning, guys. Good morning. Fellas, can I get a sound and visual, please? Chris, good morning. Everything is good? All right. Good. We are off, fellas. It is Tuesday. Markets are booming. I said yesterday, I think we talked about it in the afternoon session. And good morning, Dan, Rich, Jim, good morning. Yesterday, I might have been talking about it in the morning session, but I think it was the afternoon session. And for my order flow guys, I said it is confounding to me that we had such a positive delta and price kept trading down near the lows. And it looked like accumulation, and it looks like we may have been correct in that. And it was just an accumulation for this up move. In any event, we come into a different picture today. NASDAQ is up 192. ES is up 46 and a half handles, back over that 4600 handle. YM is up 317. Russell's up 26. Gold's up $4.50. We're pretty much green across the board. Copper, silver, crude's up $1. Natural gas is down a couple of ticks. Bonds, yields are up. Bonds are down today. We are green stocks across the board. The only red is Pfizer and Zoom of some 50 stocks that I'm looking at. Looking for a pullback here in the NASDAQ for us to get long. We have two bot trades. We have our first bot trade is the ES. It's gone to first target. It has not gone yet to second target. So we have a winning trade on the ES bot. And we just fired our first trade of the day in gold. That first target is 5 ticks. That speaks to the lack of volatility. Just to reiterate, the bot measures volatility from trade to trade. Good morning, Deepak. So there is very little volatility on a 5-tick first target. There it is both targets hit and filled. So both targets are hit and filled, done with the gold. In any event, I believe Friday the markets are closed. I thought we were open a half a day, but I believe they are closed. If you guys are paying attention to the new indicator, we got the long signal here at 755 down at 97.7. On the small 30 range, I probably missed a short. Yeah, I did. On the small 30 range, we got the short here up at 812, 813. So we'll look for pullback entry longs. I don't believe we have any news today on Tuesday. We have Philly Fed apparently. Redbook retail sales, who cares? BlackBerry reports today. No speakers that I see. Nothing. All right. So not a lot. Good morning. Your target hit. Yes, it did, buddy. Yes, it did. I'm going to have to start taking them from you. Nice job, Caleb. Close of this 5-minute candle, you'll have a long here at the close of the candle. Yes, Dan, yeah, I know they did. Should have stuck around yesterday afternoon. I traded out of that hole. I traded out of that damn hole. Thank you, Caleb. I appreciate that, man. Thank you. So here's what I see at the moment. Yeah, the chop. I agree. Yesterday was a frustrating trade for all of us. Ordinarily we hit those break areas and price just goes. Yesterday we'd hit the break areas and it would go and just dump. But trading order flow for all these years, the one thing I kept looking at was the delta. And I'm saying, how do we have 2,000 and 3,000 contract net buyers and price either A isn't going anywhere or B continues to just chop around those lows? The trade. Nice job, Mimi. Nice job. Yeah, I like that. Mark talked about it yesterday. The trade that I love yesterday, I put this in member Skype. This is the SPY. I put SPY calls in member Skype yesterday. We held the 100. My first target was here at 52, and now we should trade up to 57. That was my final target yesterday. So if anybody saw that in member Skype and took that, you have your first target. You should get your second target. I'm watching the Qs today for a gap fill. We also held the 100 on the Qs. Gap fill would be 83. And I think we'll probably trade to the top of the cloud somewhere around 86 and see what we get there. So I'll watch Qs on the open. Looking at the NASDAQ, we got a bit to go to get above yesterday's high, but it looks like we may get there. Hourlies are pulling back. Small time frame is pulling back, which is good for us if we're going to hold, find us a trade. The initial support on the NASDAQ is going to be 71. And then if we fall below that, we're going to find hourly support back at 760 area, maybe 55. So we'll see what we get on those. I'll take a look at Delta. Let's see what we got here, guys. NASDAQ has traded 87,000 contracts. Volume is high, but not like we saw yesterday. We do have 1,100, almost 1,200 net buyers currently. Gold, 1,300 buyers. Unfinished auction, top of the current candle. Unfinished auction, 2 candles back and 3 candles back. We'll look for a pullback in gold. I'd like to see it get this out of here first at 99.6. Crude, heavy volume, 101,000 contracts have traded, but only 475 net buyers. That buying increased in the last 20 minutes. And the ES, about 1,000 buyers, 700 and whatever. And a little bit light on the volume. Morning, Todd. If you guys are here on, good morning, Hubba Hubba. If you guys are here on trial, good morning and welcome. We did have 2 trials this week. I did not send out a daily email yesterday. I apologize. I will get a daily email out to you guys today. YM failing at Big Red. ES looks like we're going to trade higher. That was your entry on crude, 74. Let me quickly read the disclaimer and we'll get on with it, fellas. If anybody has any questions, holler. By the way, if you guys are in order flow class today, everyone should have the link. I did send the link out on Sunday. So if for some reason you do not have the link, please send me an email. I'm looking for the go. U.S. government required disclaimer. Futures and options trading has large potential rewards, but also large potential risk. You must be aware of the risks and be willing to accept them in order to invest in the futures and options markets. Don't trade with money you can't afford to lose. This website is neither a solicitation nor an offer to buy or sell futures or options. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to those discussed on the website. Past performance of any trading system or methodology is not necessarily indicative of future results. CFTC Rule 4.41, hypothetical or simulated performance results have certain limitations. Unlike an actual performance record, simulated results do not represent actual trading. Since trades have not been executed, results may have under or overcompensated for the impact, if any, of certain market factors such as lack of liquidity. Simulated trading programs in general are subject to the fact that they're designed with the benefit of hindsight. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to those shown. Last but not least, past performance is not indicative of future results. The fact that I may or may not be in a trade does not lend more or less credence to any trade. Please trade according to your own accounts. Please trade according to your tolerance for risk. We're good to go. Well, the volatility's picked up a bit. It's up to 8 tick first target. Woo! Let me see Nike. Nike one. I don't know what it is in pre-market, but probably 160. If we could go as high as 165. I don't know where it is in pre-market. 165. It closed yesterday at 157. Yeah, I have hourly shorts. Yeah, we filled the gap on natural gas. Here's gas. I like gas long to 961 and 4085. You're going to get a daily breakout on gas. I like natural gas longs, guys. I mean, it could be slow going. We had a big trade on it yesterday or the day before, but I like gas long. ES is just putzing around. NASDAQ putzing around. Gold sitting on yellow. So here's trade 1 on the NASDAQ. ES target is 07. Target 1, 07. 18 would be the next target, not 20. 18. That's our one. Well, that short filled at 8 o'clock and hit both targets, 94 and 79. I'm back. Looks like gold on the short went to target. NASDAQ took a hit. And crude on the bot is in a trade. My first target on crude hit and exceeded. Anybody long crude? Second target's been hit on crude as well. All right. Just Mimi. I gave you guys, all right, Gary. All right, Ray. I gave you guys the entry on crude and targets. Just as a reminder, the entry on crude was 75. First target was 06. That's been hit. Second target's been hit. Yeah, and Q looks short. You're shooting. Well, it's just a pullback. I don't think I'd want to short it, but there's VWAP. And we might come down in the open. We're below the 50. We will see what we get, fellas. Anybody have any questions? Any questions, guys? 849.50. Yeah, we're going to get the pullback into the open. That's fine. Let it pull back. Let it pull back. Still have 4.5 minutes, guys. Uh, 78, huh? Yeah, right. I mean, we could right into that 70 area. I don't think volatility has left us. Be nice to get 2 or 3 days straight up, wouldn't it? That's what it's looking like on the open. Yeah, oil is almost on the bot. Oil is almost to third target at 60 ticks. It just missed. 2 ticks. Good morning, Jacques. You are missed, have been missed. You're usually one of the first guys that says good morning. Yeah, I think we're going below VWAP. Great. Good morning. Might go to zero today, man. Crude looks like it's headed to 71.20. Hey, Peter. No, the class today, Peter, is for the class that started 4 months ago. You'll be in the next class, which starts the second week of January. Okay, Mimi. 7:33. Right now, Jennifer, it's scheduled for Thursday, but that's the day is tentative, meaning once I have, all 15, and I'm now at 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I'm at 12. Once I get the 15, I'll send out an email, make sure that Thursday is okay with everybody. Bum, 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 bum. Ten seconds, fellas. 10 seconds. Looks like we're going to sell in the open. We're off. We're off. They're buying them on the open. Losing buyers. Holding the bottom of the 10-minute cloud, but it's going to break, I think. YM is bid. Russell trying to turn up. ES is trying to bid. I still have an 07 target. Actually, target one on the ES is 05 half. I missed the entry, guys, right at the open at 97. 05 half. NASDAQ looks like it's going to trying to get to 90. See if we can get up there. Wow, YM took off. They're all going to go. 05 half is your target on the ES if you're long. YM is longs to 308. 308. Another entry, same spot, 88. 68. I'm sorry, 68. Another target hit. I don't know if we're going to get there. Come on, don't freaking run away. Look at Russell going. We got 90. You're long on the NASDAQ, fellas. I'm just waiting for the 5-minute candle to close. $56. Oh, coming down. Coming down. There's your London. Watch for the long. Come on, seriously? If you guys want to scalp at it, scalp at it. Trump going to hold a news conference on January 6th, anniversary. I've got lag. Par for the course. Target one only. Come on, 57. Come on, get above 45 and we go 57. 45, we go 57. Dog. This thing won't go 10 handles. Come on. Get above 45 and we go. We'll get one at 57. There we go. Come on. Oh, it's there. It's there it goes. One more candle. There we go. Come on. Oh, you dog. You guys want to take, scalp, a couple $100, $300, whack it. I got plenty of ticks, so I'm not. Come on, 57. You know you're going. Maybe 55. Out on crude on the bot. All right, I'm done trying to catch longs, guys. That's it. Until this 10-minute turns completely green. I still think that this is short-lived BS. I don't think we want to be short here. Now it goes. It's going now if you guys stayed with it. It's going to go. Got buyers. It's going to 56, 57 if you guys stayed with it. Come on. Push, you dirt. Let's go, jerk. Anybody stay with this? They're going to come in and rip these shorts up. All right, Todd. 56, 57, that's your target. 57. It should get 57. That's target one, 57. Then go to break even and hold it. Then we should trade back up to 72. Down to 13. Guys, we have 1,300 sellers. That's it. NASDAQ essentially went red a couple points on the day. We're back up 31 points. That's it. Yesterday's close. I think that's it. We got 54.75. If crude breaks above 70.68, it's a ton of room if you're long crude. NASDAQ has to break up through that 54.55, guys. $55, and then we start working back up. No kidding. This time of year, a hurricane? I'm going to try this here again, guys. Right at 46. Is that where you are, is Tampa? That's not where you live, though. Yeah, my buddy's got a place in, is it Indian Rock? Come on, push this damn pivot and go. 55 is being obstinate. There's the retest. Now let's go. Up, up and away. Let's get 82 for one. Come on. I'll take 46 to 82. Let's go. If you guys want ticks, look, if you're trading threes, you're up 3, 4. Well, we're. Another pullback. you guys want money, you got it. We got to 63, but I think we goes. I think we go ski. You know, that 65, 66 is going to give us a little odge. But if you guys want money, you got money. It's $700 if you're trading 3, $800. Yeah, he's in Indian Rocks. That's what it is. He's right on the water. I'll probably be there for New Year's. Assuming they let my, unvaccinated self on a plane. Well, if I confirm that I'm there for sure, maybe we can get together. I'll be there 3 days, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, I think is what it is. Anybody long NASDAQ, guys? Anybody long? Okay, Ryan. I'm going to get just a little cuter on this. 85. Trade them as you see fit, guys. It's a nice trade. You know, we're gonna struggle at yellow. Nice job, Todd, in from 35. Nice. Again, if you guys want to reduce risk, your target is 818. Are you holding micros? Come on, get through yellow. Nice job, Todd. There we go. Come on, we're down to 1,200 net sellers. Let's buy them all up and punish the shorts now. Punish them. Punish them bad. Make them pay. Got to push another damn pivot here. We got to get above 72. 72 and this thing goes. Banana nanas. The hell is Biden going to say? The only thing that goofball can say is he's locking down the country, which I don't think he will. He will have anarchy. Seriously. There will be anarchy. Come on, NASDAQ. Get above that pivot at 72. Got to get above, stay above that point of control, but we've got to break that 72, fellas. That's yeah. There you go, Mark. Come on, 72. Pump it up. I'm getting my 85 target. I promise you. I'm getting that 85 first target. I know lie. Ooh, almost there, fellas. Almost home. Almost home. Oh, come on, NASDAQ. Come on, big guy. Let's go, fella. Let's go below 1,000 net sellers. My next candle. Oh, this is the new candle. We should get there on this candle, guys. Got the big set. There's the big offers at 80. It's only 49 cars. Got some block sellers showing up here, 23 and 20. Could be shorts. We got a short on the Russell bot. Come on, get through that swing and go. Blow them up. Guys, you got a huge trade if you want, yeah, I'm not using a 3-minute though. There's target 1 on the Russell. 100 lousy sellers. All right, you're going to get me out before target. We ran into a wall. If we get above that 80, if we get above 80, we're going to go 10-minute green. If we go 10-minute green, we're trading 712 next, and then probably back to 780 today. That's where I think we go. I think we're headed right back up, guys. Come on, break here. Come on. Next target up is going to be 710 to 12. Once we get above this 80. Come on, dog. He's gone. Bye, coward. Coward. Nothing like order flow, fellas. Learn order flow. 3 spots left for the next class. 3 spots left. Look at this. I missed by 2 damn ticks. Seriously, 2 ticks? Really? All right, just for that, you're going to give me another point. Let's go 86. You can pay me $20 extra. Actually, 40. It's going to pay me, fellas. I'm telling you, it's going to freaking pay me. Oh, my God, it hit me to the damn... There we go. Told you, it's going to pay me. Thank you, Jeff. Now just buckle up, guys. Buckle up. Buckle up. Just watch the fireworks now. Now it can stay there all day for all I care. All day. Next target up, guys, 708. 708 to 13. 08 to 13. Doesn't preclude a pullback. Nope. Jesus, it's 11 o'clock? Wow. All right, fellas. Let's go over bot trades. ES had one trade, winning trade. ES had one trade, winning trade. NASDAQ beat us to death today. Had one trade, took the loss. Damn NASDAQ, man. It's turned up, though. Bots are done, but it's turned up. Russell had three trades, two winners and a loser. That's your losing trade at 951. That's your winning trade, trade one. This has first target on the short. And that's going to take the runners out. Crude had two trades, a winner and a loser. And gold had a winner and a winner. Two trades on gold. On the day, the bots were down. Uh-oh. They're going to buy them all back, guys. Same game every day. Same damn game. Bots were down 28.25. 28.25. Yesterday they were up 15.22, so we're down somewhere around $1,300 on the week. Minus 28.25. Thank you, NASDAQ. It's over, guys. It's done. NASDAQ's going. I think we caught the trade. We're down to 600 net sellers. Boy, I'd like to get the VWAP with, positive delta. All right, guys. For those of you guys that are in order flow group, I will see you in about 50 minutes. You're welcome, Jeff. For those of you that are with me at 1 o'clock, I will see you in a couple hours. Hopefully this trade is still going. And we run this thing up the flagpole, right back to the day highs. Did everybody make money today? Is there anybody that did not make money today? Is there anybody that did not make money? Just so you guys know, you lost your mind. So I've got one account up 27.40 with this runner, and one account up 15.05. That's my day, fellas. So hopefully, well, I took a few whacks at them, to get the trades out on the Russell, on the runners. There we go, guys. I think this is going straight up, fellas. Rick, I'm with you. I'm with you. We should now trade. We got my 10-12, right? That target's hit. Next level up, 750. 750. I mean, they just basically went and took everybody out from overnight and yesterday. If anybody has any questions, feel free to email me, call me, or Skype me. Guys, be blessed. Order flow group, I'll see you in a bit. And the rest of you are my 1 o'clock. I'll see you in a couple hours. We're going back 780, guys. Okay? I'll see you soon. Be blessed.